video immediately. I will now have the pleasure of inviting Mr. Alain Sedo for him to deliver his speech on behalf of SOCA. And right after that, we will invite him to do the signing of the first commemorative. Mr. Sedo. It will not be long.
Mr. Vincent Duviton, ex-Minister of Sports, Mr. Antonio Gopal, Honorary President of the SOCA, founding members of AUSISNO, now SOCA, representative chairpersons of federations, executive committee members of SOCA, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, good afternoon. It is my great pleasure to welcome you this evening as we gather to celebrate the 45th anniversary of the Seychelles Olympic and Commonwealth Games Association. This milestone is a moment of pride for our sporting community. And tonight, launch of the coffee table book and commemorative video gives us the opportunity to honor our history, recognize the contributions of our athletes and partners, and also reflect on the values that continue to guide us. It is a profound honor to address you this evening as we mark the 45th anniversary of the Seychelles Olympic and Commonwealth Games Association. This milestone event represents not only the passage of time, but also the enduring commitment of all those who have contributed to the growth and strengthening of sports in Seychelles. As we celebrate 45 years, let us be inspired to continue strengthening our athletes, investing in our youth, upholding the Olympic values of excellence, friendship, and respect, as well as those of the Commonwealth Games, which are humanity, equality, and destiny. The coffee table book and commemorative video we are launching today serve as a testament to this remarkable journey. They honor the dedication of our athletes, the coaches, administrators, the partners, who through their perseverance and vision have built a legacy that continues to inspire us today. As we celebrate this occasion, let us look ahead with renewed determination to further develop sports, empower our youth, and ensure that Seychelles remains an active and respected member of the Olympic and Commonwealth family. On behalf of SOCA, I extend my sincere gratitude to all who have supported SOCA and contributed to the association's achievement over the past 45 years. May this celebration strengthen our determination as we embark on the next chapter of our journey. The journey continues, and the best is yet to come. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as we bring this evening to a close, let us take pride in the journey that has brought SOCA to its 45th anniversary. These stories captured in our coffee book and images shared in our commemorative video, reminds us of the dedication, sacrifice, and unity that define Seychelles sports. I think you've heard Mr. Gopal went through the whole history of SNOC, then to become SOCA up to today. And on behalf of SOCA, I thank you all for joining us on this celebration and for the continued support and for your commitment to advancing sports and the values of Olympics, and Commonwealth movement. Together, let us look forward with confidence to the future chapters of our journey. I thank you.
Thank you very much, President Alcedo, the President of SOCA. Before proceeding, we would like to still request Mr. Alcedo to come forward to do us the honor of signing the first copy of the book. After the signing of the book, we will then start with the presentation of the book for each and every association and federation. Thank you, Ms. Alcedo.